Hi, I'm Ian Drummond, Creative Director of Indoor Garden Design and lifelong houseplant fanatic. I'm here at Malvern Garden Buildings to create a beautiful houseplant oasis. So yeah, let's get cracking and see what I've got to work with. This is the Hanley Heritage, which is a beautiful contemporary space and our blank canvas for today. It's lovely in light, loads and loads of glass, so it looks like it's letting lots of light into the space. But let's step in and see where the light falls. At the back, it's not really getting direct sunlight, but still quite bright, so we can choose plants that are suitable for that space. And then towards the front, it's lovely and sunny, so we'll choose sun-loving plants to work there. Yeah, great space to work with, so I think we'll get cracking and get planting. Well, I think you'll agree we've transformed this Malvern Garden building into a tropical jungle. I'm going to call it a green room, and yeah, I plan to spend the rest of my lockdown here. I think it's just such a lovely space to be in. We got the inspiration for this room really from a project we've been working on since lockdown. We've been supporting Project Wingman, which is supporting each hospital, creating basically a relaxing room, a green room for NHS staff to just get a breakaway from what they're going through at the moment, and just creating a really nice, relaxing space. So yeah, that's what we've done, just to try to think of the best way of creating a space that certainly I would love to be in, and here we go, I hope you like it. Okay, so let's talk about a few of the plants we've got here. A few of my kind of go-to plants really. And the first one is the crassula, commonly known as the money plant or the lucky plant, which is quite appropriate for the moment. I think we all could do with a lucky plant. Within Feng Shui, it really is a plant that's encouraged to be used a lot. And they say for good luck, always put it by the entrance of your home, your workplace, or a southeastern location. Much of its popularity is due to its low maintenance levels. It really is pretty hardy. It flourishes in good light, so a position close to the window is ideal, and with watering, allowed to dry out between waterings, never overwater, never overlove. The next one is Scindapsus, devil's ivy, almost impossible to kill, and I think that's why it's known as the devil's ivy. It's got lovely heart-shaped leaves, great plant for trailing, so if you lack a space, it's ideal. Really easy to look after. Just the one thing to avoid is the cold, so never put it anywhere too drafty. And the other thing with them, they actually grow really well in water. So if you cut a little cutting from it, and it will root in water and look great in a vase. And this is a Calathea, also known as Veranta. Really popular due to the decorative leaves. They're really, really vibrant and lots of different varieties within them. Indirect light for these, and water sparingly, don't overwater them. Mist the leaves with a mist spray as often as possible because they really love humidity. The one problem with them is they gain brown edges, which is due to lack of humidity. And here we've got a Sansevieria, mother-in-law's tongue, also known as the bedroom plant. Known as the bedroom plant because it emits oxygen at night, so it's really good for you when you're sleeping. So if you want a nap, then it's also a good plant for this room. Prefers a bright light, good in the window, but actually most environments it will do well. It's a tough plant. Never overwater, so always allowed to dry out between watering. And yeah, just a really good plant to have, and it's got great air purifying qualities to it too. The main principle for creating a room like this is to consider the space and the light. Create a landscape by using different heights, shape and texture of leaves. Position the plants on the floor or on a table to gain height, or even hang from the ceiling, especially if you're tight on space. Really, it's to soften the lines of the architecture and the furniture, just to create a nice soft space to be in.